Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a purpose-built tool because Windows no longer exposes a reliable built-in method. Once done, install Translucent TB and allow it to run at startup. This gives persistent control. Make sure transparency effects are enabled in Settings Personalization Colors so the OS permits visual effects. You should also close and reopen Explorer if the taskbar was already pinned. That forces the new renderer to initialize. This prepares the system for configuring exact transparency levels. You now configure the tool for each taskbar state. Open the Translucent TB menu in the tray and choose Clear or Blur for the normal taskbar and separate settings for Start/Search and maximized windows. Adjust opacity and blur sliders so icons remain readable while the background is visible. Once set, test by opening and closing windows and moving the mouse to ensure the state switches correctly. If you use multiple monitors, configure each monitor or profile so results are consistent across displays. Finish by saving your profile and enabling Start with Windows so the effect is automatic. If the taskbar still looks opaque, restart Explorer, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. That often forces the new visuals. Make sure the OS level transparency effects setting is on because Translucent TB depends on it. If problems persist, relaunch the app as administrator and verify no system theme tools or group policies are blocking visual effects. That single change typically resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.